This is a short video on lines and textures too. For some reason, straight lines, vertical lines are preferred in curtains because it makes the window look bigger. And you can see the photography done here. So we do a lot of vertical lines. Wantedly we do horizontal lines which are in fashion, and then some textures and combination of both. So this photography is really beautiful. It's like sample swatches flying in the air kind of thing. Okay, so now these are like textures, and there's a cloud kind of texture in here. This is an offset ladder kind of a design. It could be simple one, but we have played on that and done more texture and a mismatched ladder. For example, this goes here and then goes here. They're not in a straight line. They just mismatch, and it's a very popular design worldwide. And it's got a nice texture and feel as well. These are vertical lines, or you could call them a play on tree trunks, and kind of branches, very little. And it's got a very nice 3D effect. Again, more on the stripe side with textures combined. This sheer is really beautiful. It's in wider width, and there's an ombre kind of effect. It goes really nicely with any of these. And this is one more really interesting pattern, how the lines and curves and all. A lot of architects make very contemporary buildings using, I'm not saying this kind of thing, but the stylized kind of lines and all, This also is a really nice sheer with floating yarn in between. It like waves of threads and really nice. And more in textures. And for some reason, we have introduced this horizontal stripe, very good for blinds, and like in Europe and all, they really love horizontal stripes. You can see it's right from the airport. So we've used horizontal lines, which are not there in most books that are there in India. And there's again a very simple dots kind of pattern, which is liked very easily by customers. And there's an abstract, where kids draw along that circle kind of thing. It's that abstract play in a jacquard fabric. Again, a texture with grayish blue and beige. The earlier one was grayish blue. This is grayish blue and beige. Textures, not really stripes, but more towards these stripes. Very interesting teal green kind of a color in the dots fabric. And this is also really interesting. It's got a shine, and you can see the shine, and the way it's done. It's really nice. The color combo is really beautiful. Black, all-time favorites of many architects. They love black and white for some reason. Looks contemporary. This is also very nice. Somehow represents the ITC Namaste kind of symbol. Plus, you would see all these in the Gulf airports, buildings in Gulf, have some of these patterns. And a play on ikat, nice pink, which is not so common in curtains. Ikat jacquard, looks like ikat. All these are mostly polyester, so they can be used. They can be done, and they can be used in. They can provide you with an flame retardant fabrics as well. Of course, there'll be an MOQ of probably 400-500 meters, depending on the weight of the fabric. Yes, they're all possible in flame retardant fabric as well. Again, the pink stripe, and even the stripes, we have textures like this is a satin band. There's a ribbed lines kind of thing. There's again a satin band in pink. And the center is almost the glass sheer. So these only the stripes is what you mostly see when it's dark. Another texture in pink, dots in purple, a darker blue with pink and silver as a combo. Again, an ikat design in a tan kind of a color, rust and black. Slightly unusual, it's neither red nor maroon, something in between, neither orange. Nice color. This is also very interesting. It's maroonish red with black and a nice vertical kind of a texture. And a usual, the fastest selling whites, off-whites rather. This too has a the earlier one had a lot of loose yarn. This also has a this loose weave kind of thing, but it's not. It's also stripes and then it's loose in between. Again, the drawing, that texture kind, it's there but yet not there kind of a texture. The feel is very good. It's like cotton feel. The other design which I was talking about in blue, the unmatched ladder, a nice simple texture and stripe, very subtle stripes. It's there but not there kind of thing. Sheer and white horizontal, and there's like slabs kind of texture, cream of white with a slight beige. Nice, you can use it in the whole house. It's beautiful. This is also a very interesting design. There are loose threads in between the two layers of fabric, and they're not equidistant. The distance is more here, and then it reduces, and then again it starts increasing. It's a very interesting design. Now the light champagne gold textures, again more towards the stripe, and there's a raised portion and a lower portion. Looks very nice. And there's a semi-sheer with horizontal beige stripes, not really equidistant. That's what makes it more interesting. Ikat in white and beige. Sheer with horizontal stripes. There's a slight loose weave in between, makes it more interesting. Dots in beige and brown. The texture, like you see around on the beach, a wet beach with clay kind of sand, in some of that kind of texture is there, as if this is water and this would be clay or mud or whatever, something like that. Looks really nice. This is the wider width sheer with an ombre. That was a slightly darker combo. This is a slightly lighter combo. You can use with all of these. Now this is a stripe, and this too is in wider width. We've used this stripe in a smaller width in the embroidery catalog, but this is a simple, I would say 1 inch, a little more than 1 inch kind of stripe, and with a silver, not very, very subtle silver black band, and then off-white and shades of beige, light, little dark and little darker. Yet it's not really a dark shade. Again, the tree trunks kind of fabric. This too is it's just a double sheer kind of fabric where it's bound here, and then there are really loose threads. The binding is a little loose kind of thing, very interesting, and it's got an ombre effect kind of a thing. Not ombre, what do you call that? That's another effect. Not really ombre. Another cream, off-white, beige, silver, nice combo. Horizontal stripes in browns, light browns, beiges. The ladder, here it looks very different. Some of the textures that were there in the earlier ones don't seem to show, and it shows more or less this and this in slightly darker and lighter tones. But the others had little more texture. Simple texture. Crisscross lines in a semi-sheer. Again, this beautiful texture with a lot of raised effect, and the two-tone thread makes it much more interesting. The same ladder in a goldish kind of a color. Browns in the distressed, or what do you call, trees texture with very, very light branches. The same wider width, ombre kind of a sheer. These are a little wrinkled, these are a little more straight, goes towards a little mustard, and then again starts off. The lines are not equidistant, makes it very interesting. And of course the width is 300 centimeters. And it's got a linen content. That linen is probably making this wrinkle effect. Another shade in beige brown. More of grey texture with a nice raised effect. The ladder design in grey, silver, light beige. Very nice combo for contemporary interiors. A coffee brown horizontal stripe sheer. This too is a coffee brown, that tree trunk kind of a play design. It's also very interesting. You saw that in the beginning in the reddish orange kind of a color. There's more coffee brown and silver, grey, silver. the ikat design in beige, bonvita kind of a color. And then this very light silver which goes along very nicely with this. Another texture with coffee brown and grey and little bit of silver. This has a more, this portion looks really deep, as if it's a water body along the coast or something. Fully coffee brown. It's got a little sheen on this part. Wonder whether you can see it in the video. Coffee brown, ikat kind of a design with a slightly darker beige. Some of the details might be getting missed out on the video that we're making, but fine. Once you get the book, you'll know. This is another brown, shades of brown, light goldenish brown and stripes, horizontal stripes here. And this is also very nice. I have shown in one texture in white. This is stripes, yet it is a nice texture. More texture and lesser stripe, but it's both of it actually. This is one, I think the whole book has only one color. It's not the ladder design. It's got these flame kind of jacquard, and it's quite interesting with a light gold and a coffee brown and shades of the threads, shades changes. It's a nice texture. It's not a stripe. Now this one is also a very nice effect. This is light metallic effect, and there is all the lines go crisscross, and it's very interesting. A simple grey dots. Again, that jalebi you call it, or whatever, that kids kind of drawing, and a nice cotton feel and a coffee brown beige texture. Black, silver, grey. Again, the black, silver, grey with all these trenches, as you call them. More blackish with white dots or off-white dots. And this shear is also very interesting. It's got these it's a double shear with loose threads only in bands. It looks very interesting. This also is a wide width shear, and you can get them in flame retardant version as well. This is a black, grey, silver texture. Again, these look much deeper here. Ikat design in beige, black. A different kind of a green, a lemon green kind of dots. Duck color with a beige texture, little bit like a stripe, not really a straight stripe, more of a texture, less of a stripe. This is coffee brown with, what color would you call this? It's greenish, it's very nice combo. A very different green compared to all that comes in the usual books. Here too, the shade of blue and black is a very different contemporary shade. And the last fabric we have around, so we have 83 fabrics in this. So this has got a greenish mustard, and these lines have a nice copper metallic effect. So in this page you have all the designs mentioned, the qualities, usage, curtain plus cushion, the content, whether it's polyester or has linen, the wash care instructions. And the wash care, if you don't remember or understand the symbols, the key is mentioned here. For example, you can machine wash it in normal cycle, 30 degrees, do not wash, do not bleach, line dry, do not, or you can tumble dry in your washing machine, do not tumble dry, dry clean, low heat iron. So all these are there. So if you follow these, the life of the curtain is much higher. And it's continued here with so many of the designs. And the pricing, MRP varies from 495 or say 500 including GST, and goes up to 1200. This would probably be the wider with shears. And rest are all, the starting ones are the textures. So they vary between 500 and 800 or 900. And the double width shears are around 1000. Thank you so much for watching this.